Bluebell? You don't want to come out there with me?
No, because it's raining.
It's not raining anymore. You're gonna miss all the coolness. I know that I have been promising you to get our baby video story. So just forgive me. I know that is, I want to make it good and I want to be able to take time to do it, and we're not sleeping, so sorry. By the way, I got contacts. Something that I've been wanting to do is to take old Bluebell and to put her with Rex, because we need to make more bunnies. We need to keep on working on gaining skills of raising rabbits, and also we need to sell these rabbits in order to recoup costs for the feed and to build a market. This is really cool. So making more babies today. I have to kind of go fast because it's about to rain and I needed to turn the fan off so that you can actually hear for a second. But then I'm probably gonna have to turn the fan on because the mosquitoes are gonna be crazy, and I want Rex to have a nice feel for the moment. All right, let's do it. It's gonna be good. You're gonna really like me. Promise. Rex, wrong end, buddy. Oh, there we go. There's two. It looks like he's drunk. There's three. Oh. Hey. Nope. So Sophie's getting a little crazy. Oh. And that was it. That's all we needed to do. Done. Rex, roll it. Blue, okay. Chill out. Don't know how to get them out. So first time I've ever done this alone. You're done. Good job, Blue. Good job, girl. That was it. It would have gone a whole lot faster if I didn't have to actually do the camera stuff, but we're done. Bluebell is pregnant.
But... Ouch!
All right.
But Dad,
Yeah.
when will she have baby?
In 30 days.
30 days?
30 days.
That's really long.
Go give this to Blue. She'll really be happy. Go give that to Blue. She's a little stressed out right now. Although I do feel slightly bad and guilty. Blue looks a little freaked out. And it makes sense. You put this little girl into a big giant cage for the first time, it would make... I understand why that could be freaky. You okay? She doesn't really want to eat anything. You'll be fine. Sorry. Okay. I don't think I did anything bad. But did I? Okay, bye-bye. I forgot to put it on the video. I actually checked her yesterday, but you know how Jeannie taught us, you flip them open and you check. If it's pink, she's not ready. If she is red, then she is ready. I did that. So she's totally ready to breed. Also something that I noticed, correct me if I'm wrong, I think I could get her in heat and I would pet her and she would just completely submit, lay long ways with her tail straight up in the air, and all this breeding stuff is weird. I don't get it. Also, my daughter is really, really cute. Next video, the birth story.